Okay, so we're in the Member Text Explorer area. So it's the Explore section, Member Text Explorer, and you have two sections here. You've got the Topic Explorer and the Theme Explorer. The difference here is that topics are set, right? So they're set by the system. But themes is what we're going to focus on today, because that's, to me, the most important section, because these are words that are coming up through the membership. So members are mentioning, for example, class or love or gym or membership regularly in their comments. And we want to explore that. And that's the whole idea of this section, is to explore arising themes. And we see the biggest bubbles, and they're probably the most important ones, obviously. And the ones with a lot of red around them are ones that we need to triage. So we need to look at it and go, okay, what's going on here, and how can we shift that into the green? And the red is simply reflecting on the sentiment. So you can see there 74.2% negative sentiment, 35.5% positive sentiment, 3.2% mixed opinion, and 12.9% neutral. And the sort of sub-themes that are in there is class love, class yoga, class exercise, class variety, and offer class. So those are the subtexts. And you can actually explore them further by just clicking on the bubble. And you'll now see some of those come up, and you'll see that class love is the one that you're getting the most of. It's not predominantly red, it's predominantly green, and people are saying, I love this class. But if there's red in there, the person may be saying something else within that subset. And if we wanted to, again, go a little bit deeper, so we're diving a little bit more into that particular topic, which is, let's say, class yoga, for example. Class yoga, we can see that people are saying yoga option, yoga Friday, yoga beginner. Now, if yoga Friday was becoming a really big bubble, that's worth looking at. Should we think about putting a class on Friday? And you can actually click on that and go to the individual comments around that, but there's only one, okay? So it's not significant. So we're not going to put a class on because one person said, I want to do yoga class on Friday. Yoga class love, what are the comments there? And it's essentially a mix of comments, and you can explore those and see, are there any themes that are coming out that are worthwhile looking at? This is a relatively small sample set. So it's less than 25, as you can see there. So I wouldn't be too worried about any of these things until you're getting a large sample size. 5 comments, probably not worth focusing on too much. If you had 25 comments about a particular thing, let's say morning yoga, then yes. But we see here morning yoga, only 1 comment. So it's really important with themes not to get too focused on them until you get a significant enough volume and the bubble is big enough that you can say, okay, there's merit here. But it's a really, really powerful place where the AI bubbles themes to the top and gives you really powerful insights into the membership. And again, if you're new to the system, it's going to take about 90 days for this to really have substance. And after 6 to 12 months, it's amazing the themes that will change and evolve over time that you can help shift and move in a positive direction or take advantage of and leverage.